Hi, I'm Natalie Weckeser, and this is how I made a big circle my first semester at the Swanson School of Engineering. My journey to the Swanson School of Engineering. After a seminar at the Rochester Institute of Technology, I was hooked on chemical engineering. Right up until decision day, I was deciding between Pitt's Swanson School of Engineering and the University of Rochester's Hodgem School of Engineering. I ultimately chose Pitt because it was a much more financially viable option, and the program is much more career-based. This is my plan for the first semester and a reflection of its success after the end of the first semester, or almost the end. I wanted to decide whether or not to continue in the engineering school, and if I did decide to continue, I wanted to finalize a discipline. An update on that is I am staying in the Swanson School, and I'm deciding between chemical and industrial engineering, but I'm currently leaning toward chemical. I also wanted to create a strong group of people to whom I can turn for both personal and academic matters that consists of both students and staff. And an update on that front is that I have a strong group of friends whose strong work ethic has been inspiring to me and to whom I know I can turn for any personal or academic problems I may be having. And I also have a group of older students and staff members that I am comfortable asking for advice when it comes to my future at Pitt. On my research paper this year, I did research on a new technology that allows the possibility of nuclear fusion on Earth. Nuclear fusion is the process that provides the sun with energy, and specifically, it's the combining of two hydrogen atoms into a helium atom, and that combination releases large amounts of energy. But the reaction requires incredibly high temperatures and pressures, and while we have the materials to create a fusion reaction itself, the trouble is finding a container that can withstand the temperature and pressure of the reaction. One of the solutions involves using magnetic fields to contain the reaction. Containers involving this solution are called tokamaks, and the most promising of these tokamak technologies is an ITR fusion site, which is currently under development in France. After looking into the code of ethics for engineering, I found that it is less helpful when attempting to make the ethical decisions and is more geared toward reinforcing a previous decision and convincing yourself and the others around you that the decision made was indeed ethical. And that is the end. Thanks for listening.